What's the wildest workplace rumor that turned out to be true? So my old boss, Mr. Henderson, was known for his special lunches he'd bring from home. They always smelled, exotic. The rumor was he was breeding some rare, super spicy chili peppers in his backyard and taste testing them daily. We all laughed it off, thinking it was just a silly office legend. Then, one day, the fire alarm went off and the whole office evacuated. Turns out, Henderson had brought in a new batch of his scorpion pepper salsa. The fumes from uncorking the jar were so intense, they set off the smoke detectors. He proudly showed us the empty jar, still steaming, confirming his fiery hobby. From then on, weekly fire drills became a thing, all thanks to Henderson's lunches.